Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. Wait a minute. Yes, it is Tuesday morning. Get confused. Days at sea. And looking out our window here this morning, we've got Port of Vallarta in the background. I got my laptop out. I'm going to try to get another video done before we go to shore. Alright, so it's raining really hard here in Port of Vallarta. Well, hard, I think so. You get these people on that raft right there, you can see, with two big engines. When they go really fast, it's going to feel like pellets in their face. But, I feel sorry for them. I don't think we're going out today.
We're just commenting the gentleman that's the tour guide is explaining to them about the
making,
average rainfall.
Here you go. Another round making announcements.
They're learning about the average rainfall.
I don't know. Glad to be indoors having breakfast.
So we're up here in the Lido deck, and down below is one of our lifeboats for the Carnival Panorama, and it's practicing out here. So you can see a couple of the crew members there in the back. One guy is climbing up on the roof now. He's sitting next to the guy. And they bring them out, try them out, make sure everything is working. Good practice. Then you see another little harbor boat that is just kind of like supervising. It's just interesting to watch the maneuvers they do. So someone's driving it in the back. Another gentleman has gone up front to get ready for when they dock it on. Then they have their crew on the side. So they check to see if everything works, and evidently these boats, when all the windows are closed and sealed, that these could actually flip over upside down and still survive. Now how that works, I'm not sure. I don't want to try it or be in it while they're doing it, but it's interesting to see them practicing their maneuvers. So here you have Xaver's editing, Alex is having breakfast, but what I wanted to show you was the washer is coming by, and I believe it's automatic. I'll try to peek up here. It's coming over, and here's the water coming down. They're washing windows today. People that had balcony suites actually had door hangers hanging on their doors saying that the washers were going to come by today. It's like sitting in a giant car wash.
No, not washing yet.
So it'll just air dry and give us a little bit more viewing pleasure here. I think this boat is just doing donuts. He just did a complete circle. Now he's looking like he's doing a figure eight, and he's looking at his wake, so it makes me think that he's just practicing. We have another dinghy over here with some very wet passengers riding out to some adventure. An empty dinghy coming back. So this little boat just did a perfect figure eight. Now he's zipping off to go do something else. You have to pardon the screen because they just washed the window, and then it looked like soap that cascaded down, but I haven't seen the washer come back yet. So either they put soap on the window or else it's soap from the window above that they just washed. Comes another group of people. Lots of dinghies going back and forth. Lots of very wet life jackets from being in the rain. Tour guide dressed in yellow on the front. A yellow rain slicker. Trying to keep the crowd jovial. Over here we have a sailboat which I don't think is part of the excursion. I think it's just a private sailboat that's enjoying being up close, taking pictures of our cruise ship. So the sky is actually turning some blue and white here. There's that big white mall over there.
All right, we made it to Puerto Vallarta. I've been upstairs all day and Mom took a nap. Alex, I think, rested as well. So it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're finally getting off the ship. We're gonna try to find some keychains, Cindy.
Alex, what are you going to look for?
Keychain. Keychain. All right.
So when I was a little girl, we had a story about a piñata that looked just like this. This is in the entryway when you come in. Duty-free shops. So this is the entryway through the duty-free. They have several of these really beautiful piñatas that are up in the ceiling. Here's another one. Another colorful banner. We're stepping through like a garden. Lots of colorful flags. Some cool music.
We're just going to stay right here. Thank you. You have a good day today.
You have enough time, okay?
You gonna go over here to the shop?
Wherever you go, wherever you go.
This is the nice big flea market. So here's our ship. It says Carnival.
Watch your step.
Alex, stand by the pirate. Thank you. Thank you.
It's an Aztec calendar. Yeah, just like on the 10 peso coin.
Yeah, they're very beautiful. It's got some different colors.
Beautiful.
Look at this, Alex. That's very unique. She's got different colors.
Wow, I do like the sailboat.
You want to look at the sailboat?
Yeah.
Can you hold those for you while you look?
Whatever you like.
Quite a few choices. There's some of the shops right here by the port. You see the cruise ship there in the back. Alex just bought himself a keychain.
I got it. Share a liver, you find?
What'd you get, Alex? Keychain?
Oh, I got a keychain and I put it on my wallet.
Which one did you decide to get?
The one with the sailboat because I like sailboats.
How nice is that? You got a bargain?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
It was
But it
our
wasn't
ladies'
cheap.
first sale.
Ladies first sale. All right.
Cheaper today.
Cheaper today.
Yes.
Nice. All right, Cynthia's convinced if we start out here in the back that these people get less of the business than the people out front. So that's why she walks to the back here. And see, there's our ship right there. This is the back of the shops right next to it, right here in Puerto Vallarta. And,
All for good price, amiga, eh? Ano?
So we picked up some keychains here at the end where I just filmed a moment ago. And again, these were 2, this is 1, and these were 3, I think, right?
Yeah.
The 3 up there, yeah. But all very, very nice. And thank you so much.
You're welcome, amigos.
So, but it's a nice,
¿Te cobrón?
nice little shop. Nice little shop.
¿Te debo?
All right. Everyone happy so far? Yes. Okay. Got a good deal?
Yes.
Okay.
Mama's in search of a duck.
A duck.
I like ducks.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Tiny
Duck,
ducks.
okay.
It can be little. It can
All
be
right.
wood.
So we're duck hunting right now. Also some nice stores. Cynthia found her duck, same place we found the keychains. So that was a good deal. I think we paid $4 for a little duck. It pays to look around, but the nice thing is you're right next to the cruise port right here. You're not that far away. Come down here and do a little shopping. You see the shops right behind me. And not that crowded. Not that crowded at all.
These are 10 pesos. These are 5 pesos. This is 5 pesos, 1 peso, and 1 peso.
Yep.
All the Rio McCoy
Yep.
and antique coins.
So what is on the back here? Here are, who are these?
That's the 2 faces. This is Morelos and Hidalgo. Hidalgo was the one he let us free from the Spanish people.
Nice. And then on the back is what?
And there's the eagle of the representing the eagle with the snake eating the snake.
Oh yeah, the eagle is eating the snake. Can you see
Yes.
that, Zav?
Well, that's
The eagle has it in
national
his
emblem.
mouth.
That's the symbol of Mexico.
Very interesting.
When we was
How many
free.
pesos is this?
Este sale en 1100 pesos.
Wow,
Sí.
that is so cool.
But it's real silver.
And then this one,
This one is
That's
90%.
Cuauhtemoc
an-
1200s.
this has, that looks like a
It-
head.
That's Cuauhtemoc, the king of the Aztecs.
It's an Aztec king.
The Aztec king, Cuauhtemoc.
So interesting. And then on this side,
This is one of the 2 hardest coins to find them in Mexico.
and this
You
one
find 5
that has the
pesos
eagle on the
In the
back.
back.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone got the eagle. Every piece, every coin have the eagle.
Now, who's this on the? Who's the man on?
This
on
is
this
Hidalgo. Hidalgo.
one? Zav,
The one let us free from the
on that side, and on the other side,
eagle.
oh, more of the eagle
Yes.
holding
every
the
co-
snake in the mouth. Very, very beautiful.
Buy one for him, so he got a nice souvenir from Mexico.
Beautiful. And oh, this one's interesting. This is different.
That's 1 peso.
This one's a 5 peso.
Now this,
This
has
is 5.
Zav, this has letters or something on the
See.
edges.
United States of Mexico. Independence.
Uh huh.
That's when we
The
got
letters
the
are in there.
independence. He's the guy who made us
Yeah.
independientes.
Oh, there it says it. Independence on the.
Independencia.
And then who's this here on the
man knows
front?
the-
Cuauhtemoc.
Oh. He has like a general's coat on.
Excuse me, Hidalgo. Hidalgo.
And on the back, oh, again, it's the eagle holding the snake.
With 1 peso.
Uh-huh.
Buy one for your son. Buy one for your son.
I want to see this one. So this has, what is this on the back? A sun?
That's the son of 1 peso. It used to be a lot of people pay
Sun
with
with
their
the
rent.
cap of liberty.
Cap, sí, capa de la libertad. You're muy inteligente.
Yeah.
Alex. And then on this side
Eagle.
is the eagle. On this side.
72 years ago.
Pretty old.
So we're right here down the hallway. Up there's the cruise ship right there. Alex is busy looking at some historical coins from 1948. Some really loud music, but this is right by the cruise port. You can probably see the chimney up on top from the ship. It's a big coast courtyard, and you've got, of course, you've got your Diamonds International right here, and Greek handicraft. Let's see what we can find here. I think this is also the way out of the cruise terminal. So this is the color changing store. Everything in here, Del Sol, changes colors. So from the hats to the shirts to the cosmetics and nail polish, it all changes colors. And then when it's done, it changes it back to just blend, which is black and white or just a basic color.
What are you showing me with this?
So, Xaver, this t-shirt looks black and white.
All right.
But after he puts it on there, it's going to change color. He's going to put it on over the black light.
And then.
Wow. Look how cool that is.
That is
You
pretty
see how
cool.
that changed?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
How does that work? Yeah.
Alex, we should...
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Put it here for a few seconds.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Look at that color.
It's like a
Yeah.
garden.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Black light? Okay.
To get it back onto...
True.
It's more colorful now.
Yeah.
Than this.
Right here.
Ooh, that one's gonna look really cool. Woo!
Colorful.
It is. It's
Oh,
like,
wow.
yeah, that's really
This
impressive.
one
Oh,
changed too.
Ooh,
Really dark.
purple.
so this changed. Was this the original yellow? This was actually yellow. Went to purple. From yellow. Look, now it's fading already. This was the green.
Oh.
Went to fuchsia. Fuchsia
fuchsia?
next to green.
It shows what color it's going to be if you put it in the sun.
So it looks like
This one turns into fuchsia. Red.
There's a difference. It's clear and then it went to red.
Like a solid red.
all right, Alex. What happens to
There's a
it?
blue dolphin, which is, or purple.
Purple and red. So what are you cooking here? Chicken? Pork.
Tengo chicken.
Huh? So this is
Chicken.
this is much like the kebab that we just had in Hamburg.
He's showing
But-
pictures up front of all his different wares.
Yeah. But this is right here in the courtyard here at the cruise center. So, all right. So we bought one of the keychains for Alex. Which one did you get, Alex? All right. So is it blue now or purple?
It's actually
In direct sun, it'll get
it's like
more,
more like a blue.
blue
Okay.
purple.
Okay. All right. Little mementos. Remember, we got another 80 some odd days to go. So
Everything has to pack
everything
small.
has to go into that suitcase. Got to
already
be small,
tight
tiny
packed.
gifts. All right. Off we go.
Gifts. I really did like the point.
Yep, Diamonds International, time to get back on the ship. Once you get out here, you'll be able to see the ship right there. So Cynthia just noticed this gentleman here making crafts, and as you can see in the store, Euphoria, which is right across from Diamonds International, are these intricate sewn crafts, and you'll see them all through the store here. You'll see the crafts. Now,
These guys are huicholes. These guys are Indians living on the mountains in la Sierra de Nayarit. What he's doing now, he's covered the beads with a beadwax.
Beeswax.
And they put the beads one by one. So it takes a lot of work.
So how long would it do to make one animal?
Well, like the dog takes like 2 weeks and a half.
2.5 weeks for just this.
We got the ram takes 4 months and a half.
Yes.
And the Katrina is 6 months and a half.
This which one?
The Katrina, yes.
Yeah. How much is that?
6 months and a half ago.
6 months and a half of work.
To make that.
Okay. So take a look at that. It's pretty amazing. And of course they have all of this. You can see it's just a life work. I know, I'm pretty impressed. All right. All right, Cynthia says she loves all the colorful flags, which you see behind us and probably also ahead of us. And more what you see ahead of us is the line to get it back on the ship. So we gotta get scanned and then we'll get back on the ship. So it's just a simple excursion. We're trying to avoid getting sick out of COVID because of the cruise next week. Basically, right?
That's what we're trying.
That's what we're trying to do. All right, after a quick scan, we're done and we should be ready to go. And there's the ship right there. One more trip through the duty-free shop and we'll be back on board. Yeah, Cynthia just pointed out it's covered with plastic or glass, probably glass.
Plexiglass.
Yeah, probably glass. But it's nice if it's raining, and it does rain like it did all this morning, that you have at least some shelter before you try to make the mad dash to get back on the ship.
And we backed into this port. We turned. And
She's
backed
using
in.
that term "we" very loosely because we just sat and watched.
We helped the ship. We were like, rah, rah, rah. Well, they backed in.
Alright, but it's nice and green here. I mean, it's very nice. But you need the breeze. Without the breeze, immediate humidity, heat. Yeah.
They have this luscious lemon water right up here.
Alright, we made it through security, back on the ship. Now the fun with the elevators. Let's do it. One of my favorite spots to take some good shots up here is at the top of the tower with the water slides. You see a lot from up here. I learned that from the Alaska cruise. Pretty tight. That's where we went shopping, right there at the flea market. I think I filmed just about everywhere, but what I didn't film was here in the back. Here's Alex right here. And what we noticed is that there is a Walmart right across the street. So if you ever import, that may work out. You're looking for some particular, because it's literally there. Sam's Club is there. There's a mall over there, right there. So yeah, right across the street outside the port. Can't beat that for convenience. The pool area on port days, very, very busy. Very busy. All right, we're gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna get something to drink here. I should film the pizza guy, but it's nice to have a pizza that's open really late. It used to be 24 hours. I'm not sure if it still is, but I like the 4 cheese pizza, and Alex likes the margarita. It's just cheese and tomato sauce, just a regular pizza. So this is the pizzeria. And basically they'll have, on this ship they have it ready available, but if they don't, you can order it right here. They have those 5 different options right there. As you can see, number 4 is usually the one that I choose. Alex, number 1. Here you see 2, see my cheese one. They all usually lay out here. Right there, you can see them in the oven, ready to come out.
What kind of cheese you like? Margarita or this one? What kind of cheese you like? This one?
No, the margarita.
Yeah, margarita. Lisa?
I'm good. Let's go back to the ship. You have the juice directly on the back, which is kind of nice. You don't have to go all the way to the front. And of course, you have the bar. All right, these are Guy's Burger joint fries, and Alex got some as well with the chipotle sauce. All right, Cynthia's already in the hot tub. One thing we like about Serenity, besides the fact that there's no children, is that they have a nice bar, but they always have lemonade water here. Now sometimes in the afternoon they have fresh salads here as well, but right now we just want some cold lemon water. Skagway, Alaska. Yeah. That's what I like. A lot of historical sites. Yes. Alright, so Cynthia's got her iced lemonade lemon water. There's Alex and Cynthia right there. So after a nice long day, we're gonna go sit in the hot tub. So it's a nice overcast day. Mother's getting up. Just as I
see better. As you were trying to film.
Just as I was trying to film, she gets up. Okay, and now they're against the sun. Those two shadows are Alex and Cynthia. Me, of course, you can see clearly. Rare moment, Cynthia's actually in the hot tub.
I know, right?
What? This is day 3. This is your first time in the tub, right?
That's true. That's true.
All right, maybe she'll try the spa later.
Good. Might.
Thank you again for joining us on our journey. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you again next week.